This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. This home is located in Country Club Manor, a highly desirable 55-plus retirement community. The well-maintained home with open floor plan throughout has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with split floor plan. The home features a living room, kitchen, and dining room open floor plan. The master bedroom with ensuite is bright and roomy. The master bathroom features dual sinks and walk-in shower. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space, dine-in space, and storage. There is also a screened-in Florida room off the kitchen. The home features a shed with extra storage space. The co-op fee is $211 per month, which includes many amenities including access to Trout Lake, community pool, water, trash, and sewer. This home won't be on the market long. Come and see it today. For more information, review the details below.